In addition to using ClassroomGo's IRS real-time interaction features for quiz or quick answer race activities with students, teachers can now also take advantage of the new interactive whiteboard feature, making lessons even more dynamic and flexible. Let's take a look together. Teachers simply need to log into ClassroomGo and start the class. Then, click on the interactive whiteboard on the left panel. ClassroomGo will automatically open the settings page. Teachers can choose to set the interactive whiteboard as view only for students, or allow students to edit and collaborate directly on the board. In addition, teachers can push a single interactive whiteboard to the entire class, or use ClassroomGo's group feature to send separate, group-specific whiteboards to each team. Once the settings are complete, simply click Create at the bottom. ClassroomGo will then open the interactive whiteboard in a new tab. Teachers can use the toolbar at the top to write on the board, type text, or insert shapes and images. With ClassroomGo's interactive whiteboard, teachers can easily demonstrate or explain concepts to students, or allow students to collaborate and interact directly on the board. Of course, with ClassroomGo's monitoring feature, teachers can effectively check whether students are staying focused on the whiteboard. When the teacher finishes the explanation or demonstration, simply click the End session at the bottom right. ClassroomGo will automatically export the whiteboard content as an image file and save it to each student's device. Let's try it out together.